Hi everyone, it's Alice Murray with Murr-made Designs, and you are on day 13 of the 365 Day Sewing Makes Challenge, where I challenge myself to show you 365, a whole year's worth of clothes made by me. And today, on the 13th, is this a lucky top or not? I need your opinion. It is Butterick 6221, which is a lifestyle pattern. It has the pants, the top, a dress, shorts, and this is a pattern for wovens. And what I did is I actually made this top out of the top for the dress, because this top is kind of short. I also used a knit instead of a woven, so that's kind of breaking the rules. So here's my version. It's just a cute little top. This is one of my marvelous 1 meters. I made it out of 1 meter of material. It quilting cotton comes in 45 wide material, and most other material comes in 60 inches wide. So 1 meter of something that isn't quilting cotton is actually a little easier to get a top out of. So this was it's like an ITY knit. I got it from Fabric Land online. It came as a panel. You had to buy it by the panel because it had a design on it. I would really like to know what you think of the big black X in the middle of this. I put the X in the middle. I wasn't sure where else to put it. I wish now maybe I would have tried splitting it and made it like a diamond. I don't know if that would have worked, but I think it kind of overpowers it all. So I'd love to hear what you think. I love the back of it. I think the design on the back looks fine. It has a square neckline with facing in it, and I tried to center it, and you can see I failed miserably. So I don't know. Is this a winner or not? The pattern is fine. The material is fine. It's just the design on it. I'm not sure about it. I'd love to hear from you in the comments what you think. And I've been asked, like, do I sew everything the night before and show you? Well, no. Some of it I do. This I just made. It was a really quick make. It only took me like 45 minutes. Easy pattern. Just has fold over machine seams on the top or on the sleeves and the bottom. So this is a really quick make. It usually takes me about 3 hours to make a garment. And so I try to sew for about 3 hours a day, but that doesn't always happen. That certainly doesn't always happen. So what helps me sew quicker is I kind of batch cut out a bunch of things, and so then I can just kind of sew them in a row. That certainly makes sewing quicker. I sew quite quickly, like my machine. I just kind of gibber when I'm sewing. So these things that I'm showing you, some of them I have made very recently, like yesterday, and some I have made sometime over the 2 years that I've been sewing. I have about 60 garments that I have made, so I'm going to run out of those. Got to try to keep ahead. I don't know if I can do 365 days. I'm sure going to try. So thank you for tuning in. Please like this video, subscribe, share it. I really appreciate that. And today my grateful thread is we have had beautiful weather this fall, and we've really been able to get ahead on our farming and get things done. And so I'm very grateful for that. Looking at last year, it certainly didn't go that way. So very grateful for the weather we've had in the fall so far. And just wonder how the weather is where you are and if it's helping you out. So just let me know below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Talk to you again soon. Bye for now.